Okay, today I'll talk about uh, another machine learning interview question. This time it's about machine learning. So this is asked by a company called Affirm. So the question is, assume we have a classifier that produces a score between 0 and 1 for the probability of particular loan application being a fraud or not. In this case, what are the false positive and what are false negative? And what are the trade-off between them in terms of dollars, and how should the model be weighted accordingly? So let's write this down. What's a false positive? Let's think about this first for a second. False positive. So the model should detect if it's a fraud or not, right? And we say it's a fraud. So we reject this. We reject applicant. So in this case, we say the applicant is fraud. Actually, it's not. It is not. And for the false negative, it says it's not fraud, right? The model says the applicant is not fraud, but it is. It is. Now, let's think about this one. If the loan is $100, right? The loan is $100. Oops. $100. Okay. And let's say interest rate is 10%, so that's equal to $10. Okay. Now, for the false positive, the loss would be only $10 because we thought the applicant is fraud, and we didn't give a loan to this applicant, and so we lost our interest rate, right? So that's a $10 our loss. But in this case, our loss is $100 all along, right? Then so if you think this way, this means what we should weight our model 10 to 1 in terms of the cost for the false negative to the false positive, right? Because in here 10 false positives is equal to 1 false negative.